Om Shri Sai Ram. Today we are going to see a lovely bhajan, Sada Vimukti Dayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana. This bhajan, we all listen to M.S. Lakshmi Amma. She sings Ganesha Pancharatnam. So when, years together we have been hearing her singing Sada Vimukti Sadhakam, like that, that Pancharatnam comes. So it is heard years after years, but one fine day, that turned out as Ganesh Bhajan, Sada Vimukti Dayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana. So like that comes Uma Mahesh Nandana Ganeshwara Shivanandana. Sadabala Rupa. Everything, suddenly these thought process of these words with some tune comes because we have been listening to Pancharatnam, that Ganesha Pancharatnam. So when that was getting reverberated, then whole Ganesha gets personified in front of the eyes, and then this bhajan comes, Sada Vimukti Dayaka Ganeshwara. What is our prayer in this world? Mukti from all the things what we are contained by. We are contained by so many things in this world because of the vasanas. And Ganesha is the paripurna personification of jnana. And only he can give that type of intellect so that we get mukt from all these worldly things. So that is why Sada Vimukti Dayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana. We say remove the Vigna. What is that Vigna we have got? It is not getting job or not able to get a home, house or a car, or nothing. Vigna is our mind, which is getting enslaved in this material world. That is the only Vigna which stops us from everything else. So, that is why Sada Vimukti Dayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana, Uma Maheshanandana. Yeah, without father, mother, however great a personality may be, but it is that father, mother, everyone ought to be grateful, and Ganesha served the parents in beautiful way. So naturally, Uma Maheshanandana Ganesha. Sada Bala Rupa, that also. Then Sadananda Ananda Gauri Sutta. Because always he is a child. Though yes, we personify him with big tummy and elephant face and all those things. But that heart is like childlike. That's why Sada Bala. And Sadananda Ananda. A child is always having Ananda. Only grown-ups have got problem. All of us have got thinking, and we think of so many things in this world, and we project the problem more and more and more when it comes. So, but whereas a child, Sada Bala Rupa, a child will be always Sadananda Ananda Gauri Sutta Ganeshwara Shivanandana. So the whole bhajan reflects that all the vignas should be removed to get mukt from all the unwanted, the things what are all stopping from mukti, that should get away from us so that we get mukti from all those things. Another thing, that we, if we maintain the childlike simplicity, Yes, then we are always with Ananda. Sadananda, Ananda, Gauri Sutta. So this song, when we meditate upon and sing or hear, we enter into that space. But what is very important, always we have this in our heart, to attain that state of Lord Ganesha. That is possible only by His blessing. That is how this bhajan came. And may all of us listen to this bhajan and get into oneness. Sai Ram.
Sada Vimuktidayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sada Vimuktidayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sada Vimuktidayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sada Vimuktidayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Uma Maheshanandana Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Uma Maheshanandana Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Uma Maheshanandana Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Uma Maheshanandana Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sada Balarupa Vigna Vinasha 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 Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sadananda Nanda Gauri Sutta 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 Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sada Vimuktidayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sada Vimuktidayaka Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Uma Maheshanandana Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Uma Maheshanandana Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sada Balarupa Vigna Vinasha Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sada Balarupa Vigna Vinasha Ganeshwara Shivanandana.
Sadananda Nanda Gauri Sutta 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 Ganeshwara
सदा विमुक्तिदायक गणेश्वर शिवनन्दना